Asha School, a special school for children with physical disabilities located at the 58 GTC Happy Valley, Shillong, has received a school transport vehicle. This vehicle was handed over by the Director Personnel Neepco, Major General Rajesh Jha, along with the GOC 101, Lieutenant General Sanjay Malik, the General Manager CSR Elbin Deepika Dole, the Principal Asha School Happy Valley Shillong Ipshita Ghosh, and other senior military officials from the 58 GTC 101 as well as representatives from Neepco. Asha School is a specially established institution for children from nearby villages and the families of military personnel who require special care and education. This initiative is part of Neepco's corporate social responsibility program aimed at expanding opportunities and creating avenues for these children to continue their education. Speakers at the event praised the dedicated teachers for their invaluable service to the children and expressed hope that the school will continue to grow and improve, ensuring the needs of the children are met effectively.
So much so that the area commander, with the permission, said that how he wished he had just read the lyrics first and then he would have joined these children. So that speaks about the commitment. I have seen this Asha school, and the first time actually I realized how special our children are. These children, especially able children. To do something about that school by trying to get money, you need money to do that. And then my ex-boss and my good friend Sanjay Malik, he invited me to Asha School, and I was more than convinced that we wanted to be part of the evolution and transformational journey of the school. And I was privileged to interact with the children then. And I think that was the day almost instantaneously I announced that I must do something, and I announced that I must give a vehicle because a vehicle was a requirement. And I came back and spoke to my CSR team. Incidentally, my CSR team is absolutely new. That Neepco will do the heavy lifting for you. We will be the collaborator with 58 GTC and 101 area. And it is not a one-off event or an incident. With your permission, Elvin, can I say that we are looking at institutionalizing this relationship between Neepco and this Asha school. And we will look at more projects in future. And I won't take too much of the time because the children are sitting in the sun, but I'm actually getting emotional and I am humbled by this opportunity that Team Neepco has been given to be part of this transformational journey which you all are undertaking and changing lives of these jewels that we have.
My name is Hello. Hello. Samir?
Hello, baby.
What is it? Such a nice name.
Hello. Elvin, you meet the people who sang. Yeah. You met them, these kids, they sang the song. Yeah.
This one, sir.
Yeah,
He was
he
dancing.
Excellent. Next time I'll
He
sing
was
with
dancing.
you. Okay? Yeah, sir. Your vehicle has been taken over.
Already.
You can't have a better walk than this boy.
Sir, ready now?
Clap, Samir, clap. Yay!
थोड़ा सा just go on the side so that the
Oh, you also hold. She was one.
Okay.
Put the cake left with this side. She's only holding the whole thing.
केक देखने से तो let's start only. हाँ, do it. Salute, Colonel. I'll give you. Okay? Okay.
in July 23 when I took over, my wife happened to visit the school, and during lunch she told me, she said, if you visit the school, you'll be ashamed that such low infrastructure exists under your command. And I don't visit schools much, or I leave it for my wife to handle it from the other side. But I made a point to come in the next 1 or 2 days to the school. And when I started looking at the challenges of the school, the first challenge, of course, was the fund state of the school. The second challenge was the space management of the school. And these were issues existing. And thereafter I went to Narangi and I saw the Asha school, though both come under us. But I always felt Jha was partial to Narangi Asha school. And he was not looking after, because he was offshoring GOC area before I joined. So he should have looked after this school. That is how I tricked him to give us a gift for the school. But then, the whole team of GTC, the principal, the MES, the G is not here today, they all got together, and in last 1.5 years, we've been able to transform the school. I must share with you all, even our army commander has been very magnanimous with funds, and today I'll request the Neepco team to go around and see the school. As far as the passion of the teachers is concerned, I can tell you they are the best in Shillong. I somehow felt the kind of job they were doing with such limited resources. It was hats off to the team here, the principal and the teachers.
Oh, so much gifts also.
These are the school's products.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Hello, thank you.
Zafar, look this side. Zafar.
Mr. Das,
We can also buy their products.
Sweet.
Come, Anupam.